Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fibri Istanti. I am from PL1C class. Today I want to describing things. My subject is lamp. The lamp is small and long. The function is to light up a dark room for studying or something else. The color are white or orange. The tube shapes small and long, but they are also round ones, made of glass and plastic, and the price ranks from 20,000 to 40,000 depending on the size. Thank you everyone. Bye.